For this lesson, we are going to add integers, and we're going to use a number line. In the lesson following this, we'll add integers without the number line. So when we're finding the sum of two integers, it's helpful to sort of visualize so that we can see what's happening, just like we did when we were adding whole numbers. So if I'm adding a 2 and a -5, the only difference here is that sometimes you're going to end up with a negative value. And so if you're adding a positive value, you're going to go in this direction. And if you're adding a negative value, you're going to go in the negative direction. So if I'm adding 2 plus -5, I'm starting at 2, and then I'm going to go 5 in the negative direction. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the negative direction, and I landed on -3. So my result is -3. Again, I can use the number line to help me visualize that. I started at 2, and then I moved 5 to the left because it was a negative. Here are a few others for us to try. So the first one, I'm going to start on the negative side this time, on -4, and I'm adding a positive 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ends me at +3, which is my solution. And for my second, I will start at -1, and then I'm moving -2. So remember, negative goes to the left. So I'm going 1, 2 units to the left, and I end at -3. Try these two on your own using the number line, then press play to see how you did. Oh, fuck, did I do that? Try these two on your own using the number line, and then press play to see how you did. For my first, I start at +5. I'm adding a -8 to that, so a negative moves it this direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left, ends at -3. And for my second, I start at -3, and I'm going to add a +4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I land at +1, which is my solution.